Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? If you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I will explain in detail. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And very nice bounce continued yesterday. The price started that bounce after the very rough movement. Late day started to show some form of recovery, and then today that recovery just continued on up. So definitely still a whole lot of work to be done, obviously, but certainly much better than having the price just totally roll back over. So we'll see, how this one plays out the week on Friday. But the first, I guess not really an update, but main point of confirmation is right here at 315. Talked about that level on Wednesday as an area of resistance. And you can see that ultimately that is right where the price struggled at that area. Now, I would agree with people saying, well, yeah, the price closed below it, but the price did spend some time up above it over here. So, I would say it got weakened up there. And I said, yeah, I would agree with that logic, that because the price did spend some time up above 315, that this 315 level as resistance did indeed get weakened up. But even if it's a weakened level of resistance, it's still a level of resistance nonetheless. So 315 remains that key level in the near term from a resistance standpoint. If the price can push up through there, then the next key immediate level you would want to turn your attention to is that purple line, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, and that value is currently at 324. So again, very near-term resistance, 315, and the next key level of resistance you'd want to pay attention to is that 50-period moving average. Now, what about levels of support? Still have 290 down here, and I'm not going to talk about why that level is so important. If you're curious on that, you can go back and watch the video in the archives from October 23rd. But like I said, given that the price isn't even close to 290, no point in rehashing all of that. But I will say that one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level is right up here at 3. Ideal meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? And certainly if the price can stay above $3. With all that being said, if the price goes below it, it's not the end of the world. It's not like the entire chart's destroyed, because the price does still have the opportunity to stay above 290, which again, I go into a lot more detail in the video from October 23rd. So all in all, though, today, nice continuation of that bounce. And now it's just a question of, can the price continue to bounce and continue to build upon this momentum going into Friday? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.